of warfare, the skilled warrior seeks opportunity in the circumstances they face. They do not blame others, but instead adapt to the situation at hand. This allows them to choose the right people for the task and effectively utilize their strengths. Those who can adapt to the circumstances are genuinely formidable in battle. They move with the fluidity of turning wood and stone, knowing when to be still, when to act, when to be straight, and when to be flexible. Mastering the art of warfare is like navigating a round stone through towering cliffs. It requires a deep understanding of the dynamics at play and an ability to overcome any challenge. By learning to seek opportunity in every circumstance, we can become true masters of the art of warfare. Remember, the force of nature is constantly changing, and those who can adapt will always come out on top. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.